Although relatively rare, sometimes furnaces encounter critical issues that require immediate servicing to ensure their continued safe operation. If a technician spots an issue like this, they are legally required to red tag your furnace and notify the gas utility company, who will shut off your gas if the furnace is not fixed in the specific time frame. Keep watching for info on what you should do if it happens. Red tagged scenarios. In most cases, a technician comes to your home for a regular inspection or during a service call due to a problem with your furnace, and they notice there's a major issue. The furnace is then red tagged. Remember, technicians have monitors to check levels of carbon monoxide, and they also have the experience and knowledge of the inner workings of a furnace to know when there's a significant defect. It could also be that you have a carbon monoxide detector within your home, which you should, and the alarm signals to let you know there may be a CO leak. In this case, you should open all the windows and doors in your home, get children or elderly family members somewhere safe, either outside or somewhere well ventilated, and shut off your furnace. You should call a technician to evaluate your heating equipment. Your technician will assess the unit, and if they deem it unsafe, they'll issue either a Type A or Type B red tag. In either case, they'll inform the gas company. If you notice the telltale rotten egg smell, which is an artificial odor added to make natural gas leak detection easier, you should calmly evacuate your home. Once you're safely outside, call your gas company immediately. Your safety and that of your family is paramount, so although there's a risk of your unit being red tagged, it's crucial that your furnace be inspected in the event of a carbon monoxide or gas leak. What to do? Having your furnace red tagged can be alarming, but take a deep breath and remember that forced air furnaces have many fail-safe mechanisms to ensure it won't become dangerous. And the red tagging system is in place specifically to help ensure everyone's safety. What you need to do, however, is figure out your next steps in terms of fixing the issue and reinstating the heat in your home. Your best course of action depends on how old your furnace is and what issues you've experienced so far. If your furnace is relatively old, more than 10 years or so, then it may be worth replacing it. One advantage of a new furnace is that it will be covered under warranty, which will help in case of future issues. If your furnace isn't that old, or this is one of the first issues you've had with it, discuss your options with the technician. Simply repairing the issue might make the most sense. It's also worth considering how expensive it will be to repair the issue. Replacing the heat exchanger, for instance, can be very expensive. So compare the cost of repairs to that of a new unit and weigh your options. Prevention. Make sure your furnace is installed by a highly qualified, licensed HVAC contractor and technician. Keep up to date with your regular maintenance services, e.g. a full service every 1 to 2 years. Take good care of your furnace in general. Take care when doing any renovations, and don't knock the furnace unnecessarily. And avoid relocating the furnace if possible. Though red tagging is an inconvenience, it's an essential part of ensuring the safety of our homes and families. For more info, contact our certified local heating contractors today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.